And don't forget to hear Hare Krishna as well, Maharaj. We heard
chanting and hearing, yeah, then remembering.
no fighting though. Fighting?
I don't agree with you about that. We should have fighting. You want to make a case against fighting? One thing is, we shouldn't fight in front of the deities. Don't.
You're just a neophyte.
I'm a neo-fighter. But don't fight in front of the deities. Rupa Goswami said that. So. Checkmate.
The next match is outside.
No. I don't agree. Whatever you say, I don't agree. So now we should be serious. No joking.
No more neophyte behavior.
I disagree with you. Hare Krishna. But I'm not fighting with you. Fighting is also there in Krishna consciousness. Can anyone think of an instance of fighting in Krishna consciousness? Lots of it. Kurukshetra war. Jagadananda. No, we're talking about physical fighting here. Jambavan. I was going to say fighting with a devotee. Jambavan is one. Krishna is fighting with Jambavan. But between devotees, Nityananda and Advaita, they have verbal fights. But physical fighting, push each other, yeah. Shivananda Sen was kicked by Nityananda Prabhu, but he didn't fight back. Fight means two. Arjuna and Shiva. At Kurukshetra war, we also have Bhishma was fighting with all the Pandava forces. Jai and Vijay became demons, and Vitrasura, he was a devotee in the Shiva force. So there is fighting, physical fighting, in Krishna consciousness. Verbal fighting, there's a lot of it. There's a lot. There's so many contentious issues, as in every religion. There are so many contentious issues. We were just discussing this morning, myself and Maharaj, about fighting how they shouldn't be fighting in Krishna consciousness. So I'm just countering that there is fighting in Krishna consciousness. And we can fight about that if you like. Yeah. Fighting should be on the basis of Shastra. Shastra is the center.
Not just because we're offended.
Yeah. But emotions naturally arise also. When as I was saying this morning, that I was thinking about that actually, because you see, just like people fight over different positions, but as the atheists point out, I don't think that we generally don't get such spirited disagreements as you do over religious issues, because it's the topic is God and our connection to God, so it becomes you feel it very deeply. That example you gave, or was it I gave, about the peacock feather on Gauranga. I mean, just you can be dismissed as a heretic if one is on one side of the issue and the other is on the other side. It's become such a heated. You're offending Gauranga by putting a peacock feather. You're offending by not putting. Actually, in the Leela of God, oh dear, now I'm entering into the discussion. in the Leela of Gaura, he also dresses as Krishna, so in that sense, you can say. Anyway, Hare Krishna. So we have half an hour or a little less until Arati. You want to be initiated also? No. You can take from Janananda Maharaj. Do you live here? Do you live here? She doesn't speak English.
No, I don't live.
Do you live? Where do you live?
Spain.
In Spain. Where? Yadunandan Maharaj. Srila Prabhupada said that, right? They can go whoever's closest. He said that. And out of that came the zonal acharya system. Now we can really start fighting. Hare Krishna. So what will we do? The yajna. All right, please proceed for the yajna. And after that will be arati. And then after that will be prasadam. So please...
I don't know if we shot it. 1 o'clock maybe? The start's 2 on Sunday.
Oh, is it? Okay. All right then. Now there were some devotees who wanted to meet me, so you can do that now. If they're not...
Second initiates today?
No. So, Padmanabh Nityanand. Whoever wants to meet, preference to those who are leaving earlier. Okay, now is the time for that. So yeah, please proceed for the yajna. Oh, the curtains, they were going to be closed. They can be closed.
It's like definitely some arrangement that they can still...
Oh, I see.
Just don't walk over the side there and look beyond those little curtains. They have the boat offerings on the other side of those little...
Uh-huh. It can be closed also. I don't know what your policy is. You keep it open all day on Sunday?
Open, but we often close during the offering. But in the morning we keep it open during the offering. We put the little curtains there. So I'm still there during the class. It's okay like that.
All right.
Just don't start meditating on the Lord's plate.
I was thinking that, I don't want to fight with you, but the curtains are closed because generally people don't like to be looked at while they're eating. And that's a consideration. There are many things to consider. Hare Krishna, all glories to His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada, by whose mercy we are all gathered today, by whose mercy Gaurnitai, Shri Krishna Balaram, Sri Radha Govinda Madhav are manifest in this unlikely place. Anywhere outside of India is unlikely. Hare Krishna.